Giving up his whole eyes on me. Call it out like a family. Stood up at night time to get around until the rubber leaves the road. Said don't lie, so I made the truth. Seemed like I lied to even you. Control your fears, that you do not know where to go to. So don't you worry, you'll be my resolution. Characters of illusion. You'll be my resolution. One look down and it's inside. Oh, I'm guaranteed to lose my mind. It's dangerous to sleep inside. You might know what I'm trying to hide.
So I've just hired this bike and I'm just exploring the area, looking at beer, trying to find some waterfalls if I find any, and just exploring. Let's see what I find.
As far away from the coming of day. So don't you worry, you'll be my resolution. It's all illusion.
So I'm on my quest to find the waterfall. I've parked my cycle here because it's above that area, like there's no place for any cycles to go. You know, it's a 2-3 kilometer hike up to this waterfall. Let's see if I go all the way. Hopefully I do. And I'm on my own. Okay, I've reached till here. I mean, that's where the trail came till. Kind of trail's like kind of ending. I'm just making my own route now. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm heading back now. The trail was like ending and I don't want to risk it because it's just too risky to do it alone.
I'm not here nor
I'm on my way back now, and we went all right. I mean, I couldn't find the waterfall, but I jumped into the small little pool over there, and the only thing that went bad was I lost my sunglasses. I know they just fell somewhere on the way. It's back on my bike. Gonna head down now. Couldn't find the waterfall, lost my sunglasses, so let's go find, I think I'm gonna go find something to eat. have just climbed up the waterfall. The waterfall is there. Head back soon.